Hey guys, Josh here, and we are supposed to be getting a refresh of the iPad Pro sometime this year, possibly even this month, and there have been a lot of rumors about some pretty big upgrades coming out on this one. Now, as far as the design goes, there doesn't seem to be any changes other than on the back. It looks like the new iPad Pro will feature the same triple lens setup as the iPhone 11 Pro. And why not? It's a Pro version, so it should have Pro cameras. Now, don't forget that this is an iPad that can easily run professional apps like Photoshop, Lightroom, and iMovie. So even though you may not like the idea of taking photos or videos on an iPad, to be able to shoot quality photos or videos and then edit everything from the same device could save a lot of time. And for those of you who bring your iPad into meetings or lectures, the added low light performance will be nice when taking pictures of a board or for documents. There have been rumors of an upgrade to the smart keyboard as well, switching to a backlit scissor key system much like that on the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and even rumors of a trackpad which would make this more like a laptop than ever. The screen could also get an upgrade to a mini LED display, which offers better contrast levels and more vibrant colors, without the burn-in risks that come with OLEDs. It would also make the 2020 iPad much brighter than the current models. But given that an equal-sized mini LED TV costs more than twice that of an LCD TV, this would likely make the new iPad Pros much more expensive. And Apple does not typically rush to include the latest technologies in their devices, so I expect that we'll be waiting for a little bit before we see this in an iPad. As always, we will see some performance upgrades as well as a new chip, either going to an A13X or a 14X depending on the time of the launch. It is also said that it will ship with 5G, making it the first 5G capable Apple device. This is possible considering the first Apple device to have 4G was an iPad. The release date has not been confirmed, but rumors have suggested that Apple will announce the new iPad Pro this month. This is based on the fact that some of the Pro models seem to be in low supply at some of the big Apple retail stores, but it wouldn't be the first time that an iPad Pro was launched in March. And this date could also be affected by the coronavirus. Regardless of when the new iPad Pro is announced, I'll be picking one up as soon as it's available, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos on that. Also, don't forget to smash that like button as it helps out a lot. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.